Hello friends, welcome back to Journeyfy Overseas. In this video, we will explain you that how you can check the equivalency of your degree as per the Canadian standard in West. But if you are visiting this channel for the first time, then please do subscribe to this channel. As we know that there is difference in education system of all the countries. So Canada wants to first ensure that your education is as per the Canadian standard. And to check the equivalency of education, you need to get education credential assessment through any of the authorized organization like WES, IQAS, etc. In some cases, a degree might get different equivalency as per Canadian education system. For example, some master courses like MBA are not considered as master but 4-year bachelors. Also, some post-graduation courses are considered as bachelor. And you might not get points equivalent to master degree in spite of having a master degree. So let's see how to check the equivalency of your degree. First, you need to search on Google as WES Degree Assessment Tool. Once you search that, you will come across this link called applications.wes.org. Open this link and you need to fill certain information like your name, your last name, your country of residence and your email ID. And at the end, click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, you will come across this screen where the first thing you need to select is your country of education. That is, from which country you completed your degree for which you want to get your education credential assessment. Second, you need to select the degree like bachelor, master's, whatever degree it is, you can select the degree from the drop down list. Next is major, which you can leave blank, which is not compulsory. Next is number of years of study. That is, for how many years you studied to get this degree. It could be 2 years, 3 years or 4 years. Whatever it is, you just need to select the number of years. Next is degree class or division. You can leave it blank, just select not applicable. Next, you need to select the university from which you pursued the degree. Click on search university. Once you click on search university, you get this option to search the university. You can either type the name of your university and click on search, or you can just simply click on search without typing anything and you get a list of all Indian authorized universities and you can select your university from this list. For example, let us select University of Mumbai. Once you select the university, once again you come on the first screen and now here you can see the name of university is mentioned as University of Mumbai. Then you get two options, add another credential or continue. Now, if you have 2 degrees like bachelor's and master's and you want to get education credential assessment for both the degrees, you can click on add another credential. And if you have only 1 degree, you can simply click on continue and see the equivalency of your degree. Let us try adding one more degree. Let's say for example, this time we will add Masters of Business Administrations, that is MBA. We have MBA for 2 years, so let's select 2 years, degree class not applicable, and we'll select University of Mumbai. Click on continue. So now as you can see, MBA is also here. Now we'll click on continue to see the equivalency of both the degrees. Here you just need to verify all the informations that you entered. So in credential 1 we have Bachelor of Commerce for 3 years from University of Mumbai, and in credential 2 we have Masters of Business Administrations for 2 years from University of Mumbai. If it is okay, just click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will get the result. So here is the result. As you can see, credential 1 was Bachelor of Commerce for 3 years. It is considered same as 3 years bachelor degree in Canada. But if you see MBA, that is your Masters of Business Administration, which was for 2 years and which is considered as master's course in India, in Canada it is not considered as equal to master's, rather it is considered as equal to 4 years bachelor's degree. So if you have done MBA for 2 years from India, you might not get score for masters while applying for Canada PR. But there is a catch. Let's try it once again and see. This time we will select as Masters of Business Administration, but instead of 2 years we will select as 3 years. Let's select the university and continue. As you can see now, this time this credential, the same credential which is Masters of Business Administration, is considered as master degree equivalent to Canada. Since we selected it as 3 years MBA, it is showing as masters. However, in India most of the MBAs are for 2 years. So for most of the MBAs you will get 4 years bachelor's degree equivalent in Canadian education system. However, if you have done masters for 3 years or from some of the well-known institutes like IIM or similar, then you might get 2 years MBA equivalent to master's degree in Canada. But for 2 years MBA which you have done from some other universities, more chances are that you will get it equal to 4 years bachelor's degree as per Canadian education system. So that was all about checking the equivalency of your degree as per the Canadian education system before applying for ECA. If you have any further questions related to it, you can comment below, or you can reach us through phone or email, for which you can find the information in the description box. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, as we keep on uploading lot of such informative videos regarding overseas education, Canada PR and IELTS and other entrance examination. That's it for this video. Thank you very much guys for watching this video.